Prince Harry should settle bird shooting mystery in memoirs, say campaigners. Wildlife campaigners hope Harry will shed light on the killing of two of Britain's rarest birds over Sandringham in 2007. Wildlife campaigners have called on Prince Harry to use his forthcoming memoirs to help solve a 14-year mystery about the killing of two of Britain's rarest birds over one of the Queen's estates. In October 2007, just a few weeks after his 23rd birthday, Harry was questioned by the police after two hen harriers, a legally protected species, were seen being shot over Sandringham in Norfolk. The prince had been out shooting on the estate on the evening of 24th of October, with family friend William Van Cutsum, then 28, when the incident occurred. At the time the Queen was a patron of the Royal Society for the Protection of Birds. Witnesses said they saw two hen harriers in flight being shot, an offense under wildlife protection legislation which carries a prison sentence of up to 6 months or a fine. Harry, Van Cutsum, and a Sandringham gamekeeper denied shooting the birds. And as no bodies of the birds were recovered from the scene, no charges were brought. At the time Clarence House said Harry had no knowledge of the incident. After 14 years no one has ever been prosecuted for the alleged shooting. But campaigners are hoping that Harry's new memoirs, which he promised would provide an honest account of his mistakes and lessons learned in life, might help shed fresh light on the historic incident as well as highlight the continued persecution of rare birds on shooting estates. Chris Luffingham, director of campaigns at the League Against Cruel Sports, said, "I hope this gives Prince Harry a chance to talk about his environmental concerns and any moves to distance himself from game bird shooting." He added, "It will also offer Prince Harry a chance to set the record straight about what really happened when the reports of hen harriers being shot on the Sandringham estate emerged in 2007. The persecution of birds of prey by the game bird shooting industry blights our country's reputation." Dr. Ruth Ding, author of the Raptor Persecution UK blog and co-director of environmental pressure group Wild Justice, said, "In recent years Prince Harry has portrayed himself as an enthusiastic conservationist, deeply concerned about the plight of the world's wildlife. This claim would have far more credibility if he was to use his memoir as a vehicle for exposing the rampant criminality within the driven grouse shooting industry, as it is this, and this alone, that is overwhelmingly responsible for the continuing catastrophic decline of the hen harrier in England."